Guys, it's Irfan with a quick video tutorial of how to select your content preferences once you register for Roosterly. So in your welcome email, one of the first emails that you get from us includes a link to this survey. And what I want you to do when you get here is go ahead and press start, and doing so pulls up a variety of different topics that you can choose from. So one of the tips that I like to share with clients when they register for Roosterly is don't be very narrow in the topics that you select. So for example, if you work in real estate, choose some other topics as well. The reason why is it engages your audience because they may already know that you work in a particular field. So the analogy that I like to share also is if you and I had met at a coffee shop, right? And all I'm talking to you about is social media and how great it is and how much I love it and all the rest, you might think to yourself, wow, he's incredibly boring and kind of a dork. I'm not sure if I want to work with him. And so unfortunately, we see that same, that doesn't work in real life, right? You want to connect with people in an authentic way about things that you care about and things that they care about. That's usually how a business relationship starts. And so think about it. If we're posting content for you on LinkedIn, we want to convey who you are as a real person, your authentic self, your brand, and how you want to be perceived online. In doing so, we want to showcase your other interests, right? So it's not just about what you do, and that's the mistake that a lot of people make. In my case, I'm going to select business quotes, career management, communications and networking, company culture, entrepreneurship, all the things that I'm really interested in to give the folks that are viewing my social media feed a sense of who I am, right, and what I'm interested in. And that usually is the springboard for what I like to call a conversation catalyst. They see something that they like, they engage with it, and then I reach out to them, and then we start a conversation. Okay, so I've selected a number of content preferences there, and down in publications that this gives us an idea of the type of content that's relevant to you and what you like to read. So I'm not going to select anything from finance. I'm going to scroll down to general business publications. I'm going to select Black Enterprise and a few of these other publications that serve as ideas for us when we're aggregating, curating, and scheduling and posting your content. All right. Continue to scroll down here, select a couple marketing publications, select a couple of startup publications. And once you come down to this area here, didn't see a publication that you like, you can, let's say, for example, you've got a blog that you'd like us to pull content from, you can enter it here. And keywords and hashtags. Now, understand that we don't necessarily need to be exhaustive in keywords and hashtags because our software will automatically pull content or pull trending keywords and hashtags as well. So you can enter in just a few, and that does the job. All right, so we've got a few there. Okay, competitors. We would like to know who your competitors are so we can make sure to not post content that mentions them. So again, you just need a few because we'll automatically begin pulling in iterations of competitors. So let's see what platforms we're managing for you. Okay, and then lastly, your personal information in case we need to get in touch with you. Once you fill all that out and hit submit, all that information goes into our algorithm in our software, and about 48 to 72 hours after that, we'll begin posting content to your social media profiles. It's that simple. One of the things that we look at in addition to the preferences that you submit are your connections, your audience. What are they engaging with? What are they interacting with? Because we essentially want to position you as a resource to them. So it takes our algorithm a few days, a few weeks to hone in on that. And once we do, you'll find that we're hitting the content stream exactly how it should be. Now, certainly, if you've got questions, you can reach out to us. If you ever need to change your content preferences, you can reach out to us at editors@roosterly.com, or alternatively, your account manager should be happy to help you. I hope this was helpful. If you've got questions, reach out to me, text me, call me, email me. I'm happy to chat. Thanks so much.